Hey everyone, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever looked at your messy closet or your cluttered kitchen and thought, I wish someone would just fix this for me? Well, guess what? There are thousands, actually millions, of people who feel exactly the same way. But here's the catch. They're not just wishing. They're willing to pay someone to do it for them, and that someone could be you. Now I know what you might be thinking. I'm not a professional cleaner, or I don't have experience organizing other people's stuff. That's totally okay. You don't need a certificate or fancy tools to get started. If you know how to tidy up, wipe down a counter, or sort through clutter, then you already have the basic skills to start offering a cleaning or organizing service and earning money with it. And stay with me because later in this video, I'm going to tell you about a secret kind of organizing job that almost nobody's doing right now, but clients are desperate for help, and they're paying up to $500 a day for it. Yep, you heard that right. So don't go anywhere. Let's get into the step-by-step guide for starting your own cleaning or organizing service from scratch, even if you have zero experience. Number 1. Start with what you can do right now. The biggest myth is thinking you need professional training. You don't. In fact, the skills you already use in your own home are exactly what people are looking for. Start with your strengths. Are you good at folding laundry? Are you someone who finds satisfaction in a sparkling, clean bathroom? Or do you love organizing books, makeup, or messy drawers? Use what you've already got. Offer to clean or organize for someone you know, your mom, a friend, a neighbor, just to practice. Don't worry about money at first. These early jobs help you gain confidence and collect those all-important before and after photos. Example: Sarah, a college student, started by organizing her cousin's chaotic kitchen pantry. She took some neat photos, posted them online with a short caption, and within 48 hours, 2 neighbors asked if she could organize their own pantries for $40 each. Number 2. Choose your lane: cleaning, organizing, or both. Here's something you should know. There's a difference between cleaning and organizing, and clients often want one more than the other. Cleaning means vacuuming, wiping, dusting, disinfecting, making things spotless. Organizing means sorting through clutter, arranging items, and creating systems to stay tidy. Both services are in high demand. And if you enjoy both, that's even better. You can offer a full package, but don't feel pressure to do it all. If you're great at organizing kids' toys or folding towels in Pinterest-worthy ways, lean into that. People love specialists. Example: John hated deep cleaning, but loved tidying up messy desks and drawers. He branded himself as a home office organizer, started with his sister's apartment, and got hired by 3 remote workers in his building. Number 3. Set simple, smart prices. Don't get overwhelmed by pricing. Keep it simple. Start with an hourly rate. Depending on your area, $20 to $35 per hour is a fair beginner rate. You can also offer flat rates for specific projects: $60 for a deep-cleaned bathroom, $100 for organizing a walk-in closet, $75 for a small apartment kitchen. Packages make people feel like they're getting a deal. Example: Mia offered a back-to-school closet reset for $85. She cleaned out old clothes, folded everything, and labeled storage boxes. Parents loved it and booked her back for other rooms. As you gain clients and experience, you can raise your prices, but always start with something affordable and clear. Number 4. Use what you already own. You don't need to spend money on fancy tools. Start with basic supplies: multi-surface cleaner rags or microfiber cloths, a mop, broom, or vacuum trash bags, reusable bins or baskets, or ask clients to provide them. If you're focusing on organizing, some dollar store baskets, labels, and Ziploc bags are all you need to create order out of chaos. Example: Lila built organizing kits using $1 plastic bins and sticker labels from a discount store. Her whole setup cost less than $15, but she was making $100 per project. Number 5, find your first clients without spending a penny. Here's how to get your first paying clients without paying for ads or building a website. Post on social media. Share a few photos and offer your services with a friendly caption like, "Need help organizing your kitchen before the holidays? I'm available this weekend." Join local Facebook groups. Look for neighborhood groups, parenting groups, or community pages. People often ask for recommendations. Just drop a comment and offer your help. Use free platforms. Post on Craigslist, Nextdoor, or OfferUp. Include your rates, available times, and a few photos if possible. Example, David posted in a local Busy Moms Facebook group offering 25% off his first 3 organizing jobs. He got booked for 5 projects within a week. Number 6, think beyond houses. Businesses need help. 2, don't limit yourself to cleaning homes. Many local businesses need help too. Think about hair salons, yoga studios, daycares, art galleries, Airbnb hosts. They often don't hire big cleaning companies because of cost, but they still want someone to come by once or twice a week. Example, Priya offered cleaning services for a small boutique in her neighborhood for $75 a week. She was in and out in under 90 minutes, and the owner referred her to 2 more stores. Also, think digital. If you're good with technology, offer to help organize Google Drive files, email inboxes, or business folders. Number 7, make your work memorable. The little touches matter. Want to stand out? Add tiny extras. Leave a thank you note. Bring a lavender-scented air freshener. Use color-coded bins when organizing. Offer to schedule recurring visits. These thoughtful details create emotional value. People remember how you made their space feel, and they'll call you again. Example, Carla added a free 5-minute daily reset guide for clients after each organizing job. It was just a printed checklist, but it made her look professional and caring. Number 8, promote the results. Not just the work people don't really want cleaning. They want peace of mind. They don't just want organization. They want to feel in control again. So when you promote your services, don't just say what you'll do. Say what they'll get. I help you fall in love with your kitchen again. Clear your closet. Clear your mind. A clean home gives you more time for what matters. Share testimonials, photos, and client stories. Post progress videos. These connect emotionally, and that's what gets people to book you. Example, Alex made a simple TikTok showing a living room going from disaster to peaceful. That one video brought him over 15 new inquiries. Number 9, stay safe and set boundaries. You're going into other people's homes, so protect yourself. Always, agree on the rate and tasks up front. Ask for photos of the space in advance. Bring gloves and cleaning masks. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, say no. If you start getting busier, use a simple service agreement that outlines what's included. It helps avoid confusion or uncomfortable situations. Example, Nadia once walked into a hoarding situation she didn't feel safe handling. After that, she created a checklist and had clients fill it out before confirming the job. Number 10, the hidden gold mine, estate and move-out organizing. This is the one most people don't know about, but it can be a game changer. Estate organizing happens when someone passes away or downsizes, and the family needs help sorting through everything. Move-out cleaning and organizing happens when someone is relocating and needs the place cleaned or packed up. These jobs are intense, but they're often emotional, and people are so grateful for your help. That's why they pay well. Example, Nina helped a family clean and organize their grandmother's home after she passed. It took 3 days, but she earned $1,400, and they referred her to 3 other families. This niche is wide open. If you can be gentle, respectful, and efficient, you can earn hundreds and make a difference in people's lives. So there you have it. Starting a cleaning or organizing service is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to start earning money. No fancy equipment, no boss, No big startup costs. Just your time, your effort, and a little creativity. You're not just cleaning houses or organizing shelves. You're giving people peace of mind, helping them breathe easier, and turning chaos into calm. And now I want to hear from you. If you had to start tomorrow, would you rather clean or organize? And what kind of space would you tackle first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see where you'd begin.